If you're an ultimate Frisbee athlete who is committed to feeling your best while playing hard for the long term, this membership and this program is for you. I'm Brian, an experienced ultimate athlete and personal trainer, strength and conditioning coach, and I created this membership to help you improve your mobility, improve your resilience, so you can express your skills and athleticism to the greatest degree consistently. Let's give you a little peek at what's inside the membership so you can get a better feel if it's a good fit for you. Hello there, welcome, I'm Brian. I created this Ultimate Mobility membership because I saw a need in the Ultimate Frisbee community. So this is for ultimate athletes. I've been a trainer and a coach for over 13 years. I've worked with hundreds of athletes, both in person, in teams, as well as virtually. And through that, I've developed this program, and this community helps support you through the program. So there's a big need here because a lot of ultimate athletes end up with connective tissue issues, that little rhyme, didn't mean for that, joint issues, mobility restrictions that prevent them from training hard or playing hard, or training and playing hard and actually just feeling good. So I want you to be able to play hard, play to your potential, and actually feel good doing this. That's why I created this program and this community. So this is going to be very different from programs you've seen before. And a lot of people say that, but that's genuinely the case here. Let me show you. All right, I'll give you a little taste of the platform. So the program itself is housed on a spreadsheet. You can click it. You can go here. There's all these different exercises, some of which you may have seen. We have a mobility master workout within this. There's all kinds of different stuff. There's links to all the videos. To give you context for this and to make sure you don't get stuck because there's so many new things, I have different lessons so you can learn foundational skills and concepts behind this program so you get to practice it. Additionally, we have the community, and this is really important to your success, to staying consistent and troubleshooting. So within the community, I have some pin posts here, and then you can make posts, whether it's something general you want to share, you can celebrate your wins and successes. So we have a lot of people sharing positives, progress that they had. You can ask me any questions. If it is something that's really in-depth, if it's simple, I'll answer it on here. If it's really in-depth, what I'll do is I'll use a Q&A call to answer it. And we have live Q&A calls every week, Tuesdays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. You can go in the calendar for that. Boom, right there. You can click on it. You can add it to your calendar. That's open to all members at this point. So I have the community. I have accountability so you can share what you're working on each week. Within that, every week I send a weekly check-in post, and it goes right to your inbox as well, so that you can share what you're working on, what's your biggest win, what are you challenged with, what can I help you with. So these are all measures to keep you consistent and keep you working on this, because a program, the best program in the world, isn't going to work if you don't do it consistently. And I recognize that this program is pretty unconventional, but if you follow it, you are going to feel some serious benefits. So that's why I have the community around this. I share announcements in here. Very easy to post. You can even search here a keyword, and every post with that keyword will pop up. So pretty intuitive, very easy. You can DM me up here in chats at any point. So I believe fully in this. And if you give this consistent effort for even 1 to 2 months, you will feel a difference. That'll build a really solid foundation. You get access to me at least an hour a week in the Q&A calls. Huge benefit. I've had a ton of people go through this and feel really awesome about it. So I hope to see you in there. Have a great rest of the day. So a little more about me. I've been an ultimate athlete for almost 20 years. I played at just about every level: high school, college, mixed club, open club, nationals, masters nationals. And I've dealt with a ton of injuries and pain throughout my career. I'm just about 37 now. So throughout the process of pain and that cycle of pain and injury, taking time off, coming back to playing, pain, injury, etc., I've found that a lot of other players go through that cycle too. And I used my experience as a personal trainer, which I've been for over 13 years. I got a degree in kinesiology. I've taken a lot of advanced trainings. I used all of that to figure out and experiment with and refine an approach to help ultimate athletes improve their mobility and improve their ability to express the skills that they already have. And the wonderful thing about that is when you do that, you actually improve your ability to learn and improve skills as well. So you can express the skills you already have better, but then you can learn and improve skills more easily and efficiently too. This is something I'm really passionate about because I know what it feels like to be on the sideline watching. I know what it feels like to be on the field knowing you could do better, but you can't physically right now because of how you feel. And I know what it's like to limp through your life for the 2 weeks after playing a tournament because your body feels like shit. I don't want you to feel that way, and I have the solution. If you're willing to put in the time and the work, I promise you this can make such a big difference, and I hope to see you in here.